Hey guys, it's me Maya, and today we're gonna be playing. I don't even know. Oh my god. I'm sorry guys, I don't know. I'll put the Summer Girl Camping Live. So my sister requested for me to play for Wednesdays. Not all the time for Wednesdays, guys. No. So yeah, if you hear me eating, I'm eating some chips right now. I had some sloppy joes. But yeah, that's just wanted to make sure because you'll be in the comments like saying, what were you crunching on or something like that, or whatever. So we're gonna be starting off with this one, I guess.
Oh no, just look. What a mess. First you had to...
So all you're supposed to do is like match them up. Where is it? Oh. And there. We got them all. Oh, no we didn't. Great job. So next we're gonna play this thing right here. So yeah, there we go. It's not even letting me click out. It's been doing that like. What ice cream will we make? You mean I have to do all the work? Rocky Road. I don't know if you guys ever tasted Rocky Road. I haven't. Well, I don't think I have. But yeah. Yeah, I never tasted Rocky Road before. It froze that quickly. Okay. Okay, first I'm gonna add this over. Okay, so I'm gonna put like blueberries like all around the creases, whatever. And you see like what I'm doing? If you hear that in the background, that's my sister and my mom watching something out there. And my brother, I think. And lastly, Blue. That actually looks cute. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have an umbrella for everyone. And guys, by the way, I haven't played this ever before. It's like a mystery gaming like from 4Kids Gaming. Or no, the Scores, I think. So, yeah. Yay, I'm done. It looks awesome, doesn't it? Okay, so we did this. We did this. Okay, so now we're gonna be. Is this a washing machine or a camera? I don't know. Okay, so. So a lot of colors, not a lot of white. I'm gonna put the whites in first. I mean, like, I never do laundry, so I don't know. This looks a lot better. I think these are ones will look good too. Sorry for no camera. It's like not dark out. It's dark in my room though. And if you hear me eating, I'm eating. Well, crunching on anything, yeah, I'm eating. So we do that. So let's do that.
Do you heading to become Monster Legend?
We can just skip it like right now. So yeah. So sorry if you hear my mom in the background or somebody in the background. I really don't know who it is right now. I'm not playing this no more. Oh, good. Actually working. I want to put that right there, that right there, and that right there. In order. Who's doing that? Because it's not me. Are you serious? I'm leaving. To a different game. Okay, so let's do this. Let me put this in the map. I didn't call your name. I mean, Mason, come here. Where are you supposed to put this pillow? Well, we're off. It looks hard to do. Like, oh, I love like ironing stuff. I don't think is that what we do? Like, I love ironing. When I was like, what the heck? Are you serious? Well, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below what I should do next. What game should I do next? Bye.